So here's how we can turn off the triple click feature on the iPad. So if you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the triple click feature can be turned on to initiate some features, right? And if you don't want to use it, all you have to do is to check out the settings app of your iPad, navigate to accessibility, and then toward the bottom of the page, we have some sections in here. So we have, for example, the guided access and accessibility shortcuts. These are very important because at first, if we go to the accessibility shortcut, you'll see all of the features which will be turned on whenever you perform the triple click. And if you disable all of these features, then the triple click will simply not be active. You can perform the gesture, but nothing will happen, so you essentially turn it off. So all you have to do is just to uncheck the things in here, and nothing will be triggered. But the guided access may not be automatically, or it may not even be clickable, right? You cannot really turn it off in here. Instead, you have to come back, and that's why I mentioned the guided access before, because you have to go specifically right here and turn it off from this page. And the point is that once you turn off all of the features and all of the actions which could be triggered through the triple click, then there is nothing that's going to happen, and you essentially just turn off the features. So I would really appreciate it if you let me know if you managed to do it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.